What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're working on the 2008 Audi A4 with the 2.0. Pretty much the same on all the 2.0s across the board. We are replacing a super simple job today. We're going to be replacing the purge valve. You might be getting one of these P codes right here that corresponds to the purge valve. There's ways to test this. This is a $13 part. Very easy to change, so we're just gonna change this out because I actually had an extra one laying around, and I'll show you guys how to do this. Never take your car to a shop to do this. They will charge you an hour or two of labor, which is gonna run you a few $100s. So literally just buy this online. Everything is linked in the description below that you would need, and replace it yourself. Let's check it out. As always, only using high quality Bosch parts. Just got done replacing all of the spark plugs and ignition coils. If you want to see how to do that, check out the video in the upper right corner right here. Here we have the new purge valve. And guys, this is the same on pretty much all the Audi models and Volkswagen. The Volkswagen 2.0s have this, the Audi 3.2s have this, the 4.2s. I mean, the majority of them have this little purge valve, and it's always usually really easy to replace. But getting a quote at the dealership, go ahead and call and ask. They're gonna run you about 400 bucks to change this little guy out right here. So guys, replacing this part is too easy. You have one plug right here. You're gonna push forward on the plug, pull the tab down, pop that plug off, right there, done. Then you're just gonna take this off. Nice and loose. And if you need more of an angle, you can pop it off the rubber mount right there. And you're just gonna take this off now. So yes, again, you can tug back and forth, but that little tool is so helpful. Now when you have this one out here, you can just grab it by hand, because I don't think the tool will fit in there. But that one's really on there too. So there is ways to test these things to see if they're for sure bad or not. I'll leave a link in the description on how to test them. This is just a video on how to replace it, because it's such a quick and easy job that, I don't know, just replace it. You can just do this as preventative maintenance. This car doesn't have a check engine light on for this. This is just preventative maintenance because I have one, and why not? It's cheap and it's easy to do. Now you got those lines connected. Just screw in those clamps the same way. Make sure that's not right up against this, otherwise the plug won't go in. Or you can just plug the plug in first, and then you can just rotate that down so you have the best angle. Imagine taking that to the dealer and paying $200 or $300 for that. So there you go, folks, purge valve hooked back up. If you guys have check engine lights, you usually have to reset them with a scanner. Go down to your local AutoZone or O'Reilly's, pick up a scanner, reset it if you need to. Car should drive fine, if that was your problem. If you're just replacing it for basic maintenance, nothing more needed. We got the old one out. That concludes today's video, guys. If you guys will drop me a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys like Audi repairs. Until next time, thank you so much.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.